Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for this marvelous love. Thank you for this support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you, yeah, because I promise you that anything that is going on, you will be getting it from this channel. We hide nothing here, so that you will also know how to talk to your loved ones back home or to protect yourself whenever you are going out and whenever the case may be, or whenever you need help, you will know that I have got this type of information from the platform of Progress the Analyst, so I need to put it to work. Hence, I choose to be updating you anything that is happening, especially every little thing from southeastern part of Nigeria, that is Biafra land, so that you will also be guided and inform all your people. So if you want to get the real updates, everything, just check on him from Biafra Owo. There you can get all the update back to back. I'm just here to also spread the news to you. Listen to him right now, and I'll be right back.
Indeed, it is a great victory for us. The enemy have come to the land of Biafra to try their power once again, and their power have failed them. They really tried their best today because at least they fought till 2:30. They really tried today. And that is why I say they tried their best, and their best failed them. Their best have failed them because they have ended up wasting a lot of resources. It was early as 4 o'clock they start bombing bomb inside the land of Biafra, which I will show you some pictures so far. I'm going to display some picture for you after this broadcast. But exactly some few minutes after 7, their foot soldier approach. They say they are known them as death squad. And indeed, they are death squad indeed, because they have met their death today. And the gallant men on the ground face them squarely. They have put on their best, but their best was defeated by Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighters. And they have nothing to do than to pack their dead body. And out of frustration and anger, they break into people's houses as usual and kill one old papa. They kill old papa because they could not lay hands on any gallant men. And we tell them that we are fully prepared for them. They will never understand what we mean. And when we tell them that they cannot defeat us, they do not understand what we mean. We have come to the land of Biafra to restore this holy land of Biafra. Nothing they can do us, and nothing they can do us. We were born to do this, and we will do this till the last day of our breath. Chukwu Okike Abiama will never allow us to fail, because our children and our unborn children and the land of Biafra depends on us. So therefore, the terrorists have come with a very new dimension. But as I told them before, that whatever dimension they came, this is the game we know how to play best. We always defeat them. We do not lose any single soldier. We do not lose any single soldier for today's battle, and we do not have any casualty. But trust me, because there were too many today, then died too many. The land of Biafra sucked enough blood. The land of Biafra sucked enough blood. These are the people that came with 20 armor tank, both the modern armor tank and the old armor tank. They could not do anything. When I tell them that they will keep on wasting their money and their resources, they will not understand that we are the owners of the land and we are the bridge they can never even see. If they should count their debt, it is more than 50. So people around them, people that see them going home crying, should ask them how far. Nigeria government, how far today? Our market. Our market. I started have deployed in boy to come and try their power. As usual, they are dying. I heard some of them shouting, what kind of people are this? We are the people you cannot see, and we are the people that will end you up. We are your debt. Biafra Liberation Army are your debt. It does not really matter how many you are. It does not really matter how you came. It does not really matter the weapon you came with. What really matters is that in the land of Biafra, you will end up. In the land of Biafra, is your end. And that was why I told you in the morning that you have nothing to be afraid of, because we outnumber them and we are greater than them. The only thing they know to do best is out of frustration they start killing innocent people. And that is why we always encourage the people staying around the village where the battlefield located should always leave their home and get inside forests or bushes. Inside bushes, you are safe. In your house, you are not safe. Because these people, out of frustration, they will break into your house and kill you. But if you run inside bushes, they cannot enter bush because there are so many things that will fight them inside bush. That is why many of them cannot even enter bush. You'll be hearing them shouting, don't enter bush, don't enter bush. You cannot come to the land of Biafra and think of going back alive when you come with the intention. So therefore, today's battle is indeed a blessed one. It is another victory that have been added to the gallant men on ground in Osumowo. So therefore, Nigeria soldier and Nigeria government deploy more. As many as you were today, I was thinking that you will fight this fight if 6 o'clock p.m. With all the arsenal you came with, you still run away before even 3 o'clock. If you like, you believe. If you do not like, you leave. But Biafra land will be your end. I want to thank all the good wishers of Biafras. I want to thank all of you that have been praying for these gallant men. Indeed, Chukwu Okike Abiama have been answering your prayer. It is not by our power, it is not by our mind, but it is by the strength of Chukwu Okike Abiama. It is him that sent us, and it is him that will be with us till the end of time. And that is why we do not have anything to fear of. And that is why we do not shake. One thing we know, and that thing that we know is what we will tell you. And that thing that we will tell you is what I'm going to tell you that right now. That at the end of this struggle, at the end of this war, Biafra will be emerged. It does not really matter how many they are. It does not really matter how long it takes. But what really matters to us is that after rain, sunshine, which means after this war, Biafra will emerge. I want to thank you for all your support. I will also use this privilege to salute all my fellow congregates. I salute you for your great courage. I salute you because you were choosing to do this. I thank you all for supporting us in every way. I thank you, Mazin Namudi Kanu. I thank you so very much, our great Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. And I say that in this land, Chukwu Okike Abiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. That we must hand over this land to our children without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, and without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy this very land of Biafra in a good faith. It is an oath that we took, and we will never fail them. This land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. God bless Biafra and the land of the rising sun. From me, from the land of the rising sun in the battlefield of Sumowo, it is good evening, man, good afternoon. In the evening time, I will come up to continue my broadcast of yesterday, and then maybe I will still update you.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.